I tried Verus Wallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I first downloaded the Verus Wallet app, I expected a standard crypto wallet. But after using it for 7 days, the shocking truth is that Verus is far more advanced than most people realize. It's not just a wallet. It's a gateway to decentralized identity and privacy-focused finance. Day 1 started with setup. Process was surprisingly simple. No email, no personal data, just a backup phrase. That's when I realized how serious Verus is about decentralization. You truly control everything, with no middleman involved. By day 2, I learned that Verus runs on its own blockchain, the Verus blockchain, which blends proof of stake and proof of power, making it both energy efficient and secure. Transactions were fast and almost free, something you rarely see outside of major networks. Midweek, I explored one of Verus' standout features, its identity system. Most people get this wrong, but Verus aren't just usernames. Our blockchain verified identities that can send and receive payments securely. No long wallet addresses needed. Imagine paying someone using a simple name like John Verus instead of a random string of letters and numbers. By day 5, I tested cross-chain transactions, moving funds between Verus, Ethereum, and Bitcoin. The built-in bridges worked flawlessly and without relying on centralized exchanges. It was a real eye-opener, true interoperability without losing control of your assets. After 7 days, the shocking truth became clear. Verus Wallet is trying to compete with flashy crypto apps. It's quietly redefining what decentralization looks like: privacy, control, and transparency all in one place. If you care about owning your identity, your data, and your money, Verus might just be the wallet that finally lives up to the promise of woe.